Africa Content TV.
Ọjọ́ alẹ́ kó sọ ẹjọ́ òwúrọ̀ rẹ lọ kí wọ́n máa ṣàkó bàtà fàwọn ẹgbẹ́ rẹ ó fẹ́ orí rẹ. Mo ní Adeolu ti dé, Adeolu mọ̀lẹ́ o. Ọmọ Akande, Adeolu ti dé, Adeolu mọ̀lẹ́ o. Adeolu mo wí lọ́dọ̀ ó ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ lẹ́yìn odi. Akande, àbòsí nínú ìlú bàjẹ́, alẹ́ fún ìdẹ́dọ̀ àbòsí nínú ìlú bàjẹ́, alẹ́ fún Adeolu Akande wọ́n bí ìyá ọlẹ́kùn yá ìyá ọlẹ́kùn yá. Adéjọjà èkó ló ní kí n sọ bẹ́ẹ̀, Adeolu ó ní kí n sọ fún Akande bẹ́ẹ̀ wípé ìyá ọlẹ́kùn yá ìyá ọlẹ́kùn yá.
Ladies and gentlemen, I have the honor to present the citation of Professor Adeolu Akande, a distinguished academic and accomplished professional who currently serves as the chairman of the board of commissioners of the Nigerian Communications Commission. Over a long career as a journalist, teacher, and high-ranking public servant, he has given his time, expertise, and resources in the service of this country and our people. Akande is a visiting professor of comparative politics and director of the Center for Presidential Studies at the Glendale University of Adeolu State. He attended a World Islam High School in China and the State College of Arts and Science in Ibadan. Before he did political science at the University of Ibadan, he had a BSc, MSc, and PhD at the Premier University, where he also taught. Professor Akande made substantial contributions to the vibrant Nigerian newspaper. As regional editor of Southwest, Punch newspaper, acting editor, deputy editor, Sunday Tribune, and editor-in-chief of the Gold Democracy Omega Weekly. Beyond his extensive journalism and academic Akande served as Deputy Chief Press Secretary for President Olusegun Obasanjo and as Special Assistant Research and Communication Strategy to Vice President Atiku Abubakar. He also held the position of Chief of Staff to former Oyo State Governor Senator Isiaka Ajimobi. He was on his appointment by President Muhammadu Buhari to the Governing Board of NCC, the Chairman Board of National Information Technology Development Agency. Distinguished ladies and gentlemen, we present for his commitment to the cause of development of an land, the most outstanding friend of an award to Professor Adeolu Akande. Jam your hands together.
Adeolu tó rọ aṣọ lọ́wọ́ òun ṣaṣọ lẹ́lẹ́. Ọmọ Akande tó rọ ẹ̀rù lọ́wọ́ òun ṣaṣọ lẹ́lẹ́. Adeolu bí wọ́n ló kún ẹrú. Adeolu bí báwo bẹ̀ ṣaṣọ lẹ́lẹ́. Bí wọ́n ní wọ́n kọ́ ọ̀pọ̀ ọmọ Akande lọ́kọ́ ọ̀yá ọmọ ṣaṣọ lẹ́lẹ́. Ẹni tí ó ṣe bí aláàrú lórí ìbọn kò lè ṣe bí àárẹ̀tọ̀ lọ́jà ọba. Akande mọ kí ẹ kí olùkọ́ ewúrẹ́ dúdú wọ́n mú rẹ̀ ní igbó tí bàtà ìsìnkúlé. Adeolu mi wọ́n má kù tán lọ lọ́jọ́ wọ́n mú yẹn pè lọ́rùn. Adeolu Akande mi ọ̀ṣun àmọ̀dé owó ṣe é pẹ́. Adéwálé arọ́mọ́ mo ní Adéwálé arọ́wọ́ mọ́lẹ́ ló sọ pípẹ́ ẹni tí yóò ṣe é bí àárù Akande wáyé mi sí káàdé kan rọ̀ lọ́dọ̀. Adeolu Akande o ṣì bàtà ìdúgbòlé tí ó gbọ́ Akande ọ̀rọ̀ lọ́gbà. Ṣì bàtà ìdúgbòlé wáyé mi sí Adeolu Adégbàjà òdò wáyé mi sí lẹ́yìn ọ̀dọ́lá o. Adeolu 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 Adeolu. Sọ bá dá lóhùn bí òní yẹn pé ọmọ Akande ọ̀dọ́lá ló ní tèmi lọ.
President General. President General.
All right. What we have now is the citation
Of
Ahmed Eraji, S.A.N., Senior Advocate of Nigeria, FCI, ARB, UK. Chief Adeolu Akande ti ń jọ̀wọ́ wọ́n fẹ́ wáyé àkàtì. Ọdúnláyé lòdì tẹ̀lé Ahmed Raji máa lọ wọlé. Oṣù Ahmed Raji. Ọmọ kọ̀ọ̀sán láti wọ́n ṣe oṣù. Ahmed is a leading senior advocate of Nigeria. He is also the founder principal at Ahmed Raji and Co. He was appointed by the President and Commander-in-Chief of the Armed Forces of Nigeria as the Resident Electoral Commissioner, where he served in 5 different states in Nigeria for a period of 8 years. His expertise and experience extend to diverse and broad areas of practice, including litigation, mediation and arbitration, banking and corporate finance, maritime and admiralty, election matters, and telecommunications. He has about 30 years experience in administrative and constitutional matters, criminal law, debt recovery, and other areas of practice. He was part of the team that successfully defended Nigeria National Petroleum Corporation in an international arbitration against Victory Inc., a U.S. company. He is known for his astute legal approach to client cases, keen attention to details, and the ability to give advice on complex transactions and matters on the spot. He has a master's degree in law from the King's College, University of London, where he obtained distinction in telecoms law. As a member of the consortium of 5 top law firms constituted by the Independent National Electoral Commission (INEC) to handle all pre-election and commercial matters on its behalf, Ahmed has personally been involved in more than 100 cases at trial and appellate courts. He has OMLS and oil prospective licenses. He represents private individuals, government agencies, and corporate bodies in a wide range of transactions and matter. Ahmed has, in the past, led lawyers in suits. His practice has exposed him to intricate workings of the telecom industry and regulatory arbitrations UK. He has been honored with the most outstanding friend of Ibadan MOF award by the Central Council of Ibadan Indigens today because of his outstanding qualities and support to the cause of Ibadan land. I hereby, on behalf of the Central Council of Ibadan land, present to you, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, Ahmed A. Raji, Senior Advocate of Nigeria, FCI, ARB UK, for this award. I'd like to Ahmed Raji, President General of the Central Council of Ibadan Indigens, to present the award.
On behalf of all of us in CCI and Ibadan land, I present this award. I want to say publicly that Alaji has sent his handsome donation to CCI with honor, and we appreciate it. Thank you very much.
Ahmed Raji Magbo, iya lekun yo, iya lekun yo. Iya lekun yo, iya lekun yo. Raji, okete, okete, obegi jama oko. Raji wa bani jo, olala lo ni temi kan wa makun ja.
awardee is Barrister Sarafadeen Abiodun Ali. Next on the
Senior Chief Barrister Sarafadeen Abiodun Ali.